Friends, welcome back to LearningStrome Academy. So friends, if you haven't pressed the subscribe button, so please subscribe it so you can directly get our new videos. Okay friends, today the topic that we are going to discuss is CAD data type. So friend, what is actually CAD data type? So let's take some review. Actually friend, uh, as as we know, when we have to deal with programming languages, then we have to represent some kind of characters. Okay, if if we have to represent any kind of numerical value, so we are looking for such kind of data type that are compatible for in numerical value. Okay, but now we want to represent a character type value. Okay, if I want to represent character type value, then I need a particular data type that can hold it or that will be compatible to it. Okay, so friends, we have one data type that is compatible or that is able to hold or that is able to represent a character. Okay, so friends, CAD data type is used to represent these characters. Okay, so what is the main purpose of CAD data type, friends? Actually, the purpose of CAD data type is used to represent the characters. Okay friends, how much memory actually it takes? As in other languages like C and C++, CAD data type takes only 1 byte. But friend, in Java, CAD data type takes 2 byte. Okay, actually what is the difference? Why it takes 2 byte in Java? So friend, the reason behind it is that actually Java uses Unicode representation for the its for the character data type, but as in C and C++ they are sky based. Now friend, actually in C and C++ they are able to represent only 256 characters, but Java is able to represent 65,535 characters. Okay, which are very wide in range. So just because of it, we are able to represent characters of different languages. We are able to type our program, we are able to give the names of our program, we are able to give the name of an identifier, we are able to use an emojis, we are able to write, we are able to use the we are able to represent all the languages of the world in our program by the help of Unicode. So friends, now you can imagine, with the help of only CAD data type, we are able to represent the character of all languages. Okay, so this is the main reason why it takes 2 bytes, because it is able to represent wide range of characters. Okay, yes sir, as I said you, Java use Unicode representation for the CAD data type. Okay, but in C and C++ they use the Sky code representation. Okay friends, so friend, just because of Unicode representation, it is possible that we can represent Hindi, Punjabi, English, Chinese, Japanese, and any language. Okay, any language character. Okay, in our program. Okay, just because of character CAD data type. So now, if you want to write a program in Hindi, or if you want to give the name of your program in Hindi, or if you want to give the name of class identifiers or any function name in a Hindi, Japanese, English, Punjabi, or in your mother tongue language. So now you can write it in your according to your own way. Okay, because Java supports it. Okay friends, so CAD data type provides you that capability that you can write or you can represent any kind of characters. You can represent wide kind of characters in your program. So friends, as I said you, Java can represent total 65,535 characters. Okay, which is a wide range of characters. If we compare with C and C++, actually C and C++ is able to represent only 256 characters, but Java is able to represent 65,535 characters. Okay, but this is the only reason it takes 2 bytes to store it character. Okay, because now we have a 16 bit to store the characters. Okay friends, so actually, but in Java, the first 20 to 56 characters are only sky characters. After the 256, all other characters are new, okay, which are considered as a Unicode characters. Okay, friends. So friends, let's take some review or examples how char data actually works, okay, and how can I assign character data to my variable. Okay friends, if I'm going to take we can assign a character data type, character value directly to our character data type in a single quote. Okay friend, for example, if I want to represent a, so I can simply represent a but in a single quote. Okay, and I can print it by simply now you can see we are printing array. We can also assign our character values in hexadecimal format, like 0x actually used to represent the hexadecimal numbers. Okay, with 4 prefix digit, okay, like 0061. Okay friends, actually 0061 is a hexadecimal a. Okay, you can see actually we can also represent our character values in a hexadecimal format. Okay, we can also assign our character values in a hexadecimal format. You can see here friend, actually I am assigning a hexadecimal value to my character literal, and it is character identifier, and it is converting this particular value according to its sky value and giving me that corresponding value to according to it. Okay friends, so we can also write directly as an integral value corresponding to its. It is also representing again a, because 97 is the Unicode for a. Okay friends, so this is the different method to represent the value. Okay, so friend, now you know that we have many wide range of characters. Okay, so let's represent some other value. Now you can see friend, I'm trying to assign a character whose sky Unicode value is 1007. Okay, and I'm trying to print it, and when I'm trying to print it, I'm getting question mark. So friend, what is the meaning of question mark is here? Friend, actually it means that the character that I am trying to print is its font is not available here. Okay, it's mean that its font is not available in my PC. Okay, it's mean okay, don't you think that the particular character is not available? Okay, actually it's mean that the character is available, but I don't have a font for it. Okay, so my compiler is not able to represent it. Okay, so friends, if we don't have a font for particular character data, so what we can do, either we can download it. Okay, so we need to download it so my compiler is able to represent it. Okay, so friend, if I'm going to represent take any value, if it's corresponding again a question mark. You can see friend, again I am getting question mark because the corresponding font for it is not available in our PC. Okay friends, we can also represent friend our character in the form of Unicode. Let's see friend, if I want to represent my number in a Unicode format, so I need to prefix it by /u. Okay, and then 4 hexadecimal digits. Let's suppose, now you can see friend, again I'm going to print my a because it is a Unicode value for a. Okay friend, now if I'm going to take any hexadecimal value, like it is also an but valid hexadecimal value. Okay, I'm going to print it. Again I'm going to get a question mark. You can see it's mean that the particular font is not available for it. Okay friends, now if you want to see what is the particular character corresponding to this sky code. Okay, Unicode, if you want to see this, the friend, you can you can friend go to unicode.org.com, and then you can find this chart. Okay, here you can see if I am looking for Gujarati. Okay, see, my internet is not connected here, so you can see friends that corresponding to this Gujarati, we have this Unicode. Okay, you can see friend, we have Unicodes. For this symbol we have Unicode 0881. For this Unicode symbol we have 0882. Okay, so let's see friend, if I'm going to use 0A81. Okay, 0A81, then you can see friend, then you for this we have a particular what symbol corresponding to this Unicode. Okay, but now we can see that we are getting question mark for it. It's mean that the particular we don't have Gujarati font in our computer, so that's why we are unable to represent this particular symbol. Okay friend, so now you are able with now if you are if you are going to download this font, so you can represent all the Gujarati, all the Chinese, all the Japanese character in your program. Okay, and now you can also give the name to your program class name. You can also give you can also specify literals name, and you can also specify the method name in the particular language if you like. Okay, but friend, before compiling your program, when you are using any particular language to represent the class name and methods name and identifier, then you need to compile your program by telling your compiler in particular encoding format. Okay, so let me tell you how to compile when you are using particular language construct to represent your variable and identifiers. Okay, so friend, actually as now we know, we can use Java char to represent wide range of character of any language like Hindi, Punjabi. You saw that we are trying to represent Gujarati characters. Okay, and in the same way we can represent Hindi, Japanese, and any languages. Okay, any language character. Okay, so no friend, now as I said you, we can write name of our identifiers, method, constants, and even the class names in any specific language. Okay, so friend, that you understand, just you have whenever. Okay friend, after writing it, so we need to compile it. Okay, so friend, when you're trying to compile a program, now we need to tell our compiler that we are using that particular format. Okay, so compile my program according to that particular format. Okay, so friend, if you want to compile it, so then we need a particular command. The command is javac hyphen encoding utf-8 programming, the name of the program, and .java. Okay, so friend, this is telling my compiler that encode this program according to utf-8. Okay, utf code 8. Okay friend, so but I recommend you to not follow such a programming style language. Okay, because it is not understandable and readable. Okay, and also not easily maintainable. So friend, actually I'm just telling you how to do, and but I'm recommending you the same time not to do. Okay, so friend, thanks for watching. If you like it, then keep it thumbs. Okay, keep thumbs up. Okay friends, bye bye. In the next video we are going to discuss about floating data and double data type. Okay friends, bye bye.